Hey everyone, I'm editing this portrait in Photoshop Beta. Typically, I would use something like content aware fill or painting to get rid of these areas, but I thought I would try the new generative fill and see what the AI can do. So I'm just gonna select the background. And then in this box, I'm gonna write fill background with same light blue color. Hit OK. We'll see what that gets me. And it's processing. Takes a little bit. That didn't work. Let's get out of there and do fill with background color. Waiting. That worked. So just fill with background color was all I needed to get that result. So if you like it, you can just, delete or combine the layers and flatten them, and then you're good to go. There's some little things I would fix, but overall, pretty impressed.